So I was out fishing today when I saw a disturbance in the water, and I went over to check what it was, and I saw this loon chasing a school of mullet around.
I hope he shows me one if he catches it. You better go, boy. I'm rooting for you. You look hungry. Oh, get him. Damn, you're slow, dog. Oh. Dude, they're like just a millisecond too fast for his ass. For those who can't say, those are fish, and that's a bird. Dude, he's got to be tired. Oh, he got one. Oh, he spit it out. Damn, you played, buddy. Oh, he got another one. He's got another one. He's got one. Yes, sir. He showed it to me. Yes. Whoa. Appreciate you, bro. I was rooting for you the whole time. I know you're tired. Get it on down. Oh, he's got it. It's down.